Introduction paragraphs for argumentative essays tend to follow a pattern. There's the hook, which gets the reader's attention. There's background information, which provides context to the topic. And then there's the thesis, the main argument of the essay. Here's an example of an excellent introduction paragraph. But first, take 20 seconds to read the essay prompt the writer responded to. Now let's read the introduction. The unknown is a concept of crippling anxiety of many. This is the hook. This is a statement hinting at something, tempting the reader to uncover what is next. There is fear in the unfamiliar, the possibility of failure, of danger, of embarrassment. In a contrasting way, author Morrow Lindbergh describes the disappointments and surprises of the unfamiliar, the failures and the unexpected moments that are the most fulfilling. The background information here provides context for the topic and prepares readers for the coming thesis. The writer clearly and succinctly reiterates the prompt and prepares readers for their position on the value of exploring the unknown. In this sense, she is absolutely correct. The exploration of the unknown has led to unprecedented scientific development, cultural development, and personal development alike. Here's the main argument of the essay, or the thesis statement. This is where the writer takes a specific and arguable stance. Notice how the writer is specific about three things: scientific development, cultural development, and personal development. The reader now knows the rest of the essay is going to address these three things and how they relate to exploring the unknown. Here's another example of an introduction paragraph. We have 12 years left. This is the hook. It is a short statement that hints at something. At this point, 12 years could mean anything. Carbon emissions in the atmosphere are at an all-time high. Thousands of species are going endangered and extinct. These are just some of the headlines that have recently surfaced on the news all around the world about humanity's devastating effects on the planet. The background information here brings context to the hook. We now know the 12 years left refer to the health of the planet. Perhaps the end of the world is imminent, the writer suggests. The writer also gives us foundational knowledge needed to transition us to the thesis. An abundance of facts, evident in our daily lives, demand that we make a drastic change before it's too late. Although the change to cleaner, renewable energy sources, such as wind power, is not an easy or simple one, individuals and agencies can not only benefit in the long run, but they have the obligation to the earth to make that change. The thesis here is a little clunky, but it still makes an argument. The planet is in danger. The facts back this up. It is the obligation of people and agencies to act. The reader now knows this is what the rest of the essay is going to address. Now, before attempting to complete an introduction paragraph, you should write a thesis statement. The thesis is the anchor of your essay. It is the guide map that directs everything. When you have a specific and arguable thesis statement to build on, it is easier to add an intriguing hook, followed by insightful background information. Your mission for the following activity is to write a thesis statement on the topic of your choice. Then, add a hook and background information that logically aligns with your thesis statement.